What's the meaning of bridgework? Bridgework. Bridgework.
Bridgework. Bridgework. The term bridgework typically refers to dental prosthetics that replace missing teeth and are supported by natural teeth or dental implants. The result of bridgework is a restoration of function and aesthetics to the patient's smile. This type of dental work involves the placement of a prosthetic tooth or teeth, which are anchored to neighboring teeth with dental crowns. The result is a natural-looking and functional set of teeth that can help improve eating and speaking abilities while also improving the appearance of the patient's smile. Proper maintenance and care will ensure the longevity of the bridgework.